Iris? Oh, God, I lost my phone. Just kidding. April Fool's though.
Ugh, you scared me. I thought you were being chased by some creeps.
Nah. Anyways, we should hurry and get to class before we're late.
Okay, I guess I'll see you at lunch.
Yeah.
What is 2 plus 2, Jackson? 4. What is 4 plus 4?
8.
What's 8 plus 8?
16.
Hi. I'm wearing a bright pink sweatshirt.
Oh, that's a bright shirt you got there.
You like it? I'm guessing you don't.
I do like it. It's just a little too bright for my liking. I have to go to the bathroom. My hair's messed up.
Okay, I'll be ready right here. Wait, what? How are you here?
What are you talking about? Is this one of your April Fool jokes?
Come with me. How are you here? You died. I went to your funeral.
This isn't funny, Nora.
No, seriously, I have the pictures.
No, this can't be. This can't be. Somehow, I've got to get back to the past and warn myself that I'm gonna die. Hey, Iris, stop.